this pond slop quarry puddle thing here is dried out, so I'm going to get whatever pond slop I can off it now before it all sets and goes hard, because then it won't be slop anymore then. Anything that's really runny, possibly like that, just skim that off there and just chuck that in there. This is going to be used for making a path, because this stuff's really good for making paths, particularly paths I don't use a lot. And it's going to be smoothed into the shape I wanted on top of this new path. It's probably about as much as runny on that bit. You see here I've cut down to the underlying kind of subsoil there. See, this is quite squishy here, so maybe that load there. That's the first bucket filled up. Yeah, right, and let's get that off there. Ooh. And that bit quite squishy. And that bit there, in there. This bit here, I think, pretty squishy. Just rescue creepy crawly. Go in there. Now, I think another one of these. Yeah, here, I think, like that. And that should maybe do it. A little bit more. Right, that should do. Right, do that there, and then grab these two, and we're off.